All right, guys, now I've tested a couple different camping gadgets here, but this one is on a different level of why didn't I buy this sooner? All right, guys, so in this video, we are going to show you what it is. I'm going to show you what it does. We're going to go over the few cons that I think may be an issue. We'll go over the pricing, and we'll let you know where you get it. And then what I'll do is I'll take you out to the camper and I'll show you how I plan on using it. And it's the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 Super Power Turbofan. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 is a Super Power Turbofan, which is also known as a handheld air duster or high-speed blower. It's basically a handheld high-speed electric rechargeable turbofan designed to replace the compressed air cans. Instead of buying disposable air cans for cleaning your electronics or blowing dust and dirt off and or around your campsite, this is a rechargeable high RPM turbine style. WOLFBOX claims a high-speed rated motor that could reach up to 110,000 RPMs. Airflow speeds of up to and around 200 miles per hour equivalent airflow. Rechargeable lithium battery, USB-C fast charging, and lightweight handheld design. All right, guys, let's open it up and see what's in the box. So first we have our manual. You know me, love me my manuals. We have a little quick reference guide of what's what here. All right, here's our unit itself. Already comes with one nozzle on it, one of the bigger ones. Here we've got different, three more different style nozzles. We've got the box here. It says we have two brushes here, a soft brush, a hard brush. We have a storage bag and a charging cable. It's a nice material there. WOLFBOX. So yeah, there's our soft brush, our hard brush, our USB, the USB-C charging cable. Of course, nice little carrying bag for it. All right, guys, so here you have your power and mode selector right here. What you do is you press and hold it on, wait for the bars to line up, and each one of those dots are your modes. So we got mode 1, pretty low. Mode 2, a lot higher. Mode 3, oops. Mode 3, quite higher. Then you would just press and hold to power it back off. So on this side, we have the trigger. You can just press it. The unit goes, click it again, and the unit turns off. Now, you can press and let go, and it'll go on the first and second mode. But as you get to the third mode, you have to press and hold the trigger down. As soon as you let go, it turns off. Put back to mode 1, press, and the unit stays going. We flip down to the side here. Here we have our battery release button. Just press and hold, pop your battery out. Now, I don't know if you can see in there, in the lineup of the battery, but it does only go in a certain way. So when you're replacing the battery, good to go. This right here is your little USB-C charging port. It goes from USB to USB-C, the cord they give you. And then on the front here, as we've seen, the front here is your battery life indicator. You've got 4 dots. We're at number 3 now. So that'll let you know how much battery life you got left. And guys, when you want to swap the nozzles, it's just a simple little turn, pulls off. Oh, it's gone. Then you want a new one. Just lines up. Give it a little twist clockwise, and you're good to go. So, first look at it here. It's a very solid unit. It doesn't really seem like very flimsy plastic. It actually seems, like I say, very good rigid plastic. It's got a really, really nice feel in the hand as well. Again, you got the rubbers on the sides here. Just gives it that good ergonomic grip. And it's not too heavy. It's very, 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 very light. Like, you twist it around, twirl it around. It's very, very light in the hand. Again, the battery, it's got a little bit of weight to it. That's where the weight mostly is. But the little fan inside, they say it's not very heavy at all. All right, guys, so I can't even begin to explain the thousands of different ways I'd like to use this thing. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you out to the camper and I'm gonna show you how I plan on using it while we're camping. All right, guys, so I'm not at the campsite right now, but I'm just gonna give you a quick demo of exactly how I plan on using this thing. It's pretty much just gonna be keeping the campsite clean, keeping my camper clean up there, and just all around getting that fire going. So just to show you an example of just how powerful this is, let's check this out. Obviously, you know, you're getting dirt and stuff all over your chairs here. Simple, press and hold. We'll keep it on high for now. Just blow it all off. You can clean out your cup holders. Get all the little dust and bugs off the chair, make it nice and fresh. Again, is going to be our entrance. We put this mat here to get a lot of dirt, or collect a lot of the dirt, dust that we end up, so we don't track it inside. But that's how powerful this thing is. Some of it's wet, sticking on there, but it actually blows gravel. It actually blows gravel away. Power this. So for me, that's pretty powerful. And of course, guys, inside the camper, anything, you just want to blow around. I mean, not really to stir up dust, but just to get the majority of the stuff out. Again, like these hard to reach places, like down in here. This is going to be perfect for getting like all the little dead bugs, cleaning off the bug screens. A lot of times in the morning, we're getting a lot of bugs, you know, wanting to get in. They're kind of stuck on the screens. Plus, we get all the little pine needles and whatnot all into the screen, stuck into the screens. This little thing, turn it on, blow it off. It's that easy. And another one, guys, is clearing out my drain for the sink. It's a hose that goes outside that we can either lead to a gray tank or whatever. But a lot of times it'll get stuck in there, just kind of how it's curled. So we make sure we don't get any dish water or whatnot still sitting in there just to keep it clean. So that's going to be a huge bonus. Plus, on the outside of my water, where I can put my water fill in, I can open up, go ahead, open up all my taps, pressurize the water tank, get it pushing, clearing all the lines out for when I winterize this camper. Again, it's not a big, huge RV, so something as small as this is perfect for that. I really don't have to get into too much work to get it done. Like I say, with the different nozzles that can come with it, I can just kind of maybe a little gasket it off, just press and hold. I'll be able to fill and pressurize that system enough to blow out those lines. That'll be good enough for me, so I don't have to worry about the lines freezing up and bursting on me over the winter. So another awesome use for that. All right, guys, so now that you've seen how I plan on using this, one thing is the battery. People might wonder, how long does the battery last? Just for one battery. Again, they're replaceable. They do sell batteries separate. This model just came with just the one battery. Again, it is rechargeable, but you can buy kits with 2 or 3 batteries in it. And again, you can have them on charge if you want it for continuous use. So guys, WOLFBOX claims the battery life on this is to last about 105 minutes on level 1 at a continuous flow. I believe it's 22 minutes on level 2 and 10 minutes on level high. Again, that's with continuous running. Now, I personally haven't tested it out from beginning to end. I'm still running off the first charge, just from the odds and ends that I've been using it so far. And I'm still at 3 bars of battery left. So again, it's depending how you use it and how long you use it, I guess. So again, I'll probably just need one charge. Will last me the whole weekend is what I'm assuming. So guys, like I say, it is not a niche specific tool. It can be used anywhere, anytime. You know what I mean? For anything, almost. Like any situation, like I say, you can think of, I'm pretty sure you're gonna have one of these in handy. So if you're interested in getting something like this, as always, the links will be down in the description. I'm gonna post WOLFBOX's website down there as well, where you can check out all their products. They have a couple neat little products also on their website, and some codes, I believe, some discount codes as well. So guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. We'll be doing more gear. I still have more gear coming in. I still have more gear sitting here on the floor ready to go to review. So if that's the kind of stuff you're into, again, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.
Let's get and go.